Take a paper strip of dimensions 28.4 cm by 3.4 cm. Now we have to fold it by 32 by 2. Breadthwise 2, lengthwise 32 times.
At this stage किती झाले folds?
At this stage it is 16 by 2.
So now we'll make double of that.
Yes. Now it is 32 by 2. Now we have to fold it like this, and then for each fold, see, this is 1 of 32. Fold it this way, open it again, fold it in reverse direction. For second, fold it lengthwise, then do the same, this and this. For the next, fold it again, and now on back side. Open it, Take the next two, fold it again, and at the back side. Take the next two, so now I will do the last two ones. Please see again. First I will fold it into half on these two, then I will take the corner and do like this, then open it again, do it same on the back side, open it again, then take next two, fold in the front, again at the back, and now the last one only just a single fold like this. So now if you look, you will see triangles all over the edge of the paper. If you open this, you will see plus shaped boxes. Now we will take each piece like this, take the triangle, push it inside and fold it. It will look like this. Now take the next, push the square inside, take the triangle, push it inside, join, and this. So we have gotten our two. Now we will do the next. Again, open it, take the corners, now we have got our three. Continue this until you complete the strip. I will push this inside, join. Now the next, I will take this, push the plus inside, join, and this is done. So now I completed the strip. It will look like this. Now I will take Fevistick and open only two sides of each end of the strip. I will apply Fevikwik on two of the 32 folds. And then join it like this. And now again fold it the way it had been before. So now we have got this ring. So now we can see here there is a hole in between. So to close it we will use Fevikwik. I will hold it together, adjust how I want, and put just a 2-3 drops of Fevikwik on it. Now I will turn over the side and do it same here. Now I have got a magnet with me. I will take one of the side which is flat, put some Fevikwik on the magnet and turn it upside down and stick it to it. So now our fridge magnet is complete.